Okay, I want to describe the transformation performed on m of x that produces t of x. So I look at this stuff. I have a negative and a plus 3. Well, I know the 3 is going to move up 3 units. And I know the negative on the inside is going to do something. So if it's out front, it's going to make it reflect on the x. If it's inside, it lies. So it's not the x, it's the y. So we're going to reflect on the y-axis. All right, so now I need to go write the equation t of x. Well, I need to plug in for m that log base 3. Okay, so I need to put in a negative x on the inside because that's going to make it reflect on the x, and then I add a 3 at the end. And we are done. The next one, I need to describe the transformation. I've got 1, 2, 3. So the negative is going to make it reflect on the x-axis because it's out front. The 3 is going to make it stretch by a factor of 3. And last but not least, you're going to move up 1 unit. So now I go to build my equation, t of x. Out front, I need a negative 3. In for the m of x, I need that log base 4 I need to look. Are those the same? Well, they are, so I put an x and then I add a 1, and we are done. Last one. Okay, I have a 1/6. That's going to shrink it. Shrink by 1/6. The plus 2 is going to go up 2 units. So I want to talk about what's happening on the inside. So if I solve this, it's like saying a negative and I get an x minus a 1. So there's two things happening. I have a negative and the minus 1. Well, the x minus 1 is going to make it move to the right 1 unit. The negative on the inside is going to make it reflect on the y-axis. So now we go to build our equation t of x. You get 1/6. And then I put in ln. Okay, so now they don't match up, so I've got to put this in to that right there. So I get negative x plus 1 plus a 2, and there is my thing.